Okay, so this is the Cobb bypass valve for the Subaru WRX. It's has a new design. It reduces control volume by 30%, allowing for extremely fast venting of boost when actuated. So this is going to be able to vent faster. Makes a little bit more of a whoosh sound. You'll hear a difference. But overall, it's pretty simple to install. What you're looking at here is the old valve. You could see the difference in the diameter of the opening. The Cobb is much more heavy and beefy. This other old one is just plastic also. So I've got the old one off. Just use some clamps there to get the snap ring off. There's 2 bolts on the side of the intercooler, 1 vacuum hose and the other hose going to the intercooler, and that's it. This is a video, same situation here. That's the vent. So just showing how the old one sat on. And let's get the new one on. So there's the new one. You can see it's much stronger. First of all, machined much better. The old one is just plastic. You can see the difference in the openings there. Much nicer machining. It's worth it just for that. I never had any issues with the old one, but just like to buy upgraded parts. And let's get it installed. I'm not even going to change my hoses. My hoses are all very good. Still very... They gave you a new hose in the box, but I don't even need to change the one I have. I'll try next time I remove the intercooler. I will change that hose, but it looks like it's a little too much of a pain to get to right now, so I'm not even going to bother. This hose is in perfect shape, so I'm just going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this hose clamp on, got the 2 bolts in. I'm just going to tighten those down. Put the new gasket in, if you can see that new blue gasket. Now this, sorry, the camera's in the wrong way. But if you see, this is adjustable, but it's actually in the perfect spot anyway. I may just adjust that a tiny bit, just to turn it down a bit like that. Try and do this one-handed. Let's see if I can. That's on. And that's really all there is to it. You can adjust that a tiny bit more. So I'll put the phone down and adjust that.